Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make sausage bread. This is very easy to make and trust me, it turned out so delicious. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try because it's definitely a must try recipe. Let's get started. First thing first, in the mixing bowl, I added in sugar, dry active yeast, egg and warm milk. Please make sure your milk is warm. I'll stir these ingredients together till well combined and add in the flour. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. I'll also leave it at the end of this video, so please make sure you watch this video till the end. After I added in the flour, I mixed until it's well combined, and then I added in salt. I added in the last of the flour and then mix it till well combined until it's formed a dough. Once it's formed a dough, I knead it for 5 minutes and then I'll add in softened butter. So please make sure you have time for the dough. Play with it, knead it, and then let it be stretchy. You know, the more you knead it, the more it becomes stretchy, and then the bread or your bread will turn out so delicious. So after I added in the butter, make sure your butter is also soft. So I placed mine in the oven for 10 seconds and then it got a little bit melt, so it was okay, and then I added it to it. So this is what you're looking for. When you press and it bounces back, that means you're at the right point. I covered it with a cling film, set it aside until it's doubled in size. So once it's doubled in size, I'll deflate the dough and transfer it on my work surface. So I'll roll it in the long shape and divide it into 12 equal parts. It was around 50 to 60 grams each. You can eyeball it or weigh it to have the exact amount or the exact quantity. So bring one and then roll it in the ball shape like so. It's very easy. You can roll it in your palm or on your work surface. After, bring one and make sure you cover the rest with a cling film to stop the surface from drying out. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on your work surface and roll it gently. Don't roll it that thin. It should be around 5 to 6 millimeters. So you fold the side and side in and then you pinch it together. After, pinch the edge together like so as demonstrated in the video, and it's very simple, easy. Just look at it. It's very simple. Cover it and let it rest until it has doubled in size before baking. So once it's resting, I'll go ahead and divide my Wurzel, sausage, hot dog, name it. Like you know, some people call it hot dog, people call it Wurzel and or sausage. So anyhow you want it. So after the bread has doubled in size, all you have to do is bring your sausage and then press it in the middle as demonstrated in the video, guys, and this is very easy. Basically, this is it. You can brush on top with the egg wash and bake it like that, but I went the extra, so if you want, you can do it exact as I did mine. Brush on top with an egg wash and then I sprinkle a little bit of grated cheese on top, which is totally optional, and then I use mayonnaise and ketchup to decorate the top. It is totally optional. You can bake it as it is like this, or you can do what I did, and trust me guys, it turned out so delicious. Try this recipe and thank me later. Try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Just look at it, guys. After, I'll go ahead and bake this bad boys at 175 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. From 20 to 25 minutes should be enough. 175 degrees Celsius from 20 to 25 minutes. And guys, just look at it. So the last thing that I did was to sprinkle a little bit of parsley on top, and you're good to go, guys. Bake this and in no time it's ready. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, this bread will take you to heaven. It will take you to paradise. Even the bread itself, It was soft. It was so delicious. Try this and let me know, guys. It turned out yumicious, ginamicious. Just look at this. It's amazing. Try this and let me know. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.